Few rumored cameras have generated as much quiet anticipation as the Fujifilm X-Pro4. While Fujifilm regularly releases capable and popular cameras, the XPro line occupies a very different space, one rooted as much in philosophy and experience as in specifications. For years, the company has attracted photographers who value tactile design, thoughtful ergonomics, and distinctive image character. The XPro series sits at the center of that identity. This upcoming model is not expected to be a routine refresh. Instead, the X-Pro4 is widely viewed as a critical chapter in Fujifilm's mirrorless story. With persistent rumors pointing toward a new high-resolution sensor, upgraded autofocus, in-body image stabilization, and an evolved hybrid viewfinder, expectations suggest this could be one of the most meaningful APS-C cameras Fujifilm has produced in over a decade. To understand why the X-Pro4 matters, it helps to revisit where the series began. In 2012, Fujifilm introduced the X-Pro1 at a time when its position in the digital camera market was uncertain. Canon and Nikon dominated professional photography, while Sony was rapidly pushing mirrorless technology forward. Fujifilm, by contrast, was still searching for a clear direction. The X-Pro1 became that turning point. It debuted Fujifilm's first X-Trans sensor, which delivered strong detail and color performance without relying on a traditional optical low-pass filter. Just as importantly, it was Fujifilm's first interchangeable lens mirrorless camera, establishing the foundation for the entire X system. Its rangefinder-inspired body, combined with genuinely modern technology, resonated with photographers who wanted something different from conventional DSLRs. The success of the X-Pro1 validated Fujifilm's vision and gave the company the confidence to invest further, eventually leading to the extensive X-series lineup and the medium-format GFX system. Without the X-Pro1, Fujifilm's current position in the market might not exist. Fujifilm continued refining the concept with the X-Pro2 in 2016, improving speed, resolution, and overall responsiveness. In 2019, the company released the X-Pro3, a bold and divisive camera that doubled down on the idea of photography first with its unconventional hidden rear screen. Based on previous release intervals, many expected the X-Pro4 to arrive around 2023 or early 2024. Instead, Fujifilm has remained silent. This absence has fueled speculation across the photography community. Some believe the delay reflects a desire to deliver a more substantial generational leap rather than a modest upgrade. Others point to cultural considerations, suggesting Fujifilm may avoid the number 4 altogether and introduce an X-Pro5 instead. Despite the uncertainty around naming and timing, few doubt that a successor is in development. The X-Pro series remains too important, symbolically and strategically, for Fujifilm to abandon. Among the most widely discussed rumors is the adoption of Fujifilm's 40.2-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, already used in cameras like the X-T5 and X-H2. If true, this would be a major step up from the 26MP sensor found in the X-Pro3. The increase in resolution would allow for greater cropping flexibility, finer detail, and more versatility across genres such as street, documentary, and travel photography. Paired with the X-Processor 5, the new sensor would also bring significant performance improvements. Faster readout speeds, better low-light handling, and far more advanced subject detection autofocus are all expected. This combination could elevate the X-Pro line to a level of technical capability never before seen in the series. Another long-requested feature may finally arrive: in-body image stabilization. IBIS would be a transformative addition for photographers who rely on small prime lenses and shoot handheld in challenging light. For a camera designed around portability and discretion, stabilization could dramatically expand its usefulness without compromising its core philosophy. The hybrid optical/electronic viewfinder has always been the defining feature of the X-Pro cameras, and it is expected to receive meaningful upgrades. Rumors suggest a high-resolution 5.76 million OLED electronic viewfinder, offering a much clearer and more immersive shooting experience. At the same time, the optical viewfinder may benefit from improved frame lines, overlays, and accuracy, further refining the balance between analog immediacy and digital precision. This dual viewfinder system remains unique in the mirrorless market and continues to set the X-Pro series apart from every competitor. The rear screen design of the X-Pro3 was controversial, even among loyal fans. While some appreciated its philosophy-driven approach, many found it impractical for everyday use. Current reports suggest Fujifilm may step back from this experiment, returning to a more conventional fixed or tilting display. Such a change would improve usability without sacrificing the camera's classic aesthetic, making menu navigation, image review, and touch interaction more intuitive, especially for hybrid shooters. Although the XPro line is primarily designed for still photography, video performance is expected to see notable gains. Rumored support for 6.2K recording at 30 FPS, along with expanded 4K and 2K options and improved autofocus tracking, would make the camera far more capable for casual filmmaking and hybrid workflows. Rather than competing directly with Fujifilm's video-focused models, these upgrades would simply ensure the XPro remains relevant in a landscape where photographers increasingly expect strong video performance as a baseline. The extended development cycle has raised questions, but it may ultimately benefit the series. The XPro represents more than just a product, it embodies Fujifilm's creative philosophy. Releasing a camera that feels rushed or underwhelming could undermine that legacy. By taking additional time, Fujifilm can refine not only hardware but also firmware, autofocus behavior, color science, and overall user experience. Aligning the camera with modern expectations, without losing its soul, requires patience and precision. The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is shaping up to be far more than a standard camera refresh. It represents the next step in a lineage that helped redefine Fujifilm's place in digital photography. With rumored advancements in resolution, stabilization, autofocus, viewfinder technology, and usability, it could become the most complete and capable XPro model to date. Whether it arrives under the X-Pro4 name or emerges as an X-Pro5, the message is clear: Fujifilm is preparing something significant. For photographers who value experience, intention, and craft as much as technical performance, the next XPro may not just justify the wait, it may redefine what an APS-C flagship can be.